This is the break. Please do not reuse blades after a Sawstop demonstration.
We just got back from Sawstop in Tualatin, Oregon, where they gave us one of the brand new compact table saw. We won't be losing any fingers today. So we wanted to unbox this thing and see what it's all about, set it up, and try it out.
Absolutely, let's get going. What is this, a saw stand for children?
The rest is in here. Set that thing up here. I really like that they included the nylock nuts with these. That way, over time, the vibration from the saw won't loosen them up. The alternative would be a nut and a lock washer. I like these better. There you go, Tony. A saw stand for adults.
Well, a teenager.
Grab the manual.
Step 1, open the box.
Sawstop's Active Injury Mitigation Technology, AIM.
Active injury mitigation.
Well, I tell you what, we got this thing set up. I am impressed. The build quality of this saw is very good.
It feels super durable to me, tightly put together. This is well built, no question.
100%.
We knew that. They told us that they got awards for the quality of craftsmanship, so it didn't surprise me. It looks great.
It looks like it could withstand a contractor throwing it in the back of their truck repeatedly.
This is the brake. This will be what catches the blade and keeps it from turning further. So this will be a one and done.
Quick tip, if you assembled this like I did with the legs upside down, you got to remember to loosen them up when you set it on a nice flat even surface, because they need to settle out and then you can tighten them back up. That's neat. I mean, the quality of this saw is legit. You ready to try this thing out, Tony?
Let's cut it. It's not working.
Did you plug it in?
This is my finger.
I don't even see a cut.
There's a shiny spot right there.
Wow.
Wow.
There she goes. I tell you what, I am blown away.
We knew what to expect going in, and it still was surprisingly accurate.
Oh, yeah.
So on spot.
The hot dog itself had zero
No damage.
scratch. I couldn't even find where it touched the hot dog.
The speed at which that went down, unbelievable.
10 times faster than an airbag.
We knew exactly what was going to happen going into this, but the pinpoint accuracy of how it reacted still amazed me. Absolutely
Shocking.
amazing. Before we wrap this video, we're going to pull that spent brake out, put in a replacement brake, install a new blade, and put this baby to use in our next video.
The toolkit that comes stashed on the back. And I tell you what, this is a really neat idea. It's got its own little latch. Unhook it, pop it off, and everything you need is right there. And that comes on and off super easy. I can't thank Sawstop enough for giving us the opportunity. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos.
And check out the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show wherever you listen to your podcasts.
We'll see you next time.